I have a mixed view right now as far as, uh, investing in real estate. We have been looking at it for last 10 years. So it remains a very positive and a promising thing. But as you pointed out, in the morning also, people were saying that the current stage, there is still a little uncertainty on the business dynamics and whether one should invest at this stage or one should wait. I think overall one should invest, but one will still have to be careful about investing. So if you ask me, uh, whether I'm bullish about it, I'm still not bullish. I'm not a very optimist, but I'm also not saying that I will not touch it. So selectively, if it's a very compelling kind of a story, I believe it can be looked for investment. And the reason for that is, if you look at it, it's linked with consumption. And I think if we see in all the other stories of consumption in India, it seems to be picking up, whether it's vehicles or entertainment or so on. So I think it's our negativity of around last 5, 6 years around this retail asset, which is making us circumspect about investing in it. So I will not totally do away with my caution, but at the same time, I will be on a very selective basis. If I find that it's a good location which will be supported by the retailers, then look at investing. And can also consider, there are a lot of projects which have been going through struggle and are now reaching a stage where a little bit of money can help it to start operations and become operational. So those kind presents a really interesting opportunity where a small bit of money, you can take a stake and you can be a lot more sure about the success of that particular investment.